Hello, my name is David Moody. I'm the IT Director at the University of Virginia Medical Library. I'm here with Dr. Neeral Shah, Associate Professor with the School of Medicine. Dr. Shah, what is your current role in the Medical Education Department at the University of Virginia?
I was one of the original people on the task force that helped develop the new curriculum at the School of Medicine. We launched this new curriculum that we now call the NxGen curriculum in 2010, and we focused that curriculum on active learning.
Dr. Shah, tell us how you envisioned this study.
I think it all started from a day in February when I saw your team filming with a 360 video in our clinical anatomy lab. I was very intrigued. I approached all of you because I know in the new curriculum, in the NxGen curriculum, we have changed and harnessed a lot more technology to create podcasts and other learning modalities that students use at home in a passive way. I thought by using 360 video, we may be able to still harness technology, allow students to learn at home, but actively engage them in this learning process.
Tell us about the study that you designed.
Well, what we did was, from the video that your team took in the clinical anatomy lab, we took the 360 video and we had two different groups of fourth year students watch the video. What we did with the first group is, we took a set of 20 students and we randomized them to either group. We took the first 20 students, sat them at a computer, let them watch the video module in a way that they've watched all the other modules or all the other podcasts in the curriculum. We took a second group, and the students, 20 students were randomized to that group, and we had them place an immersive 360 video headset and they watched the same video. Through this process, they were using a new technology, but we were also measuring engagement of both groups during the playback of the video, and then had students take a follow-up survey to measure their engagement and what they thought of the learning modality and the instructors and how easy it was to use.
That sounds very interesting. Dr. Shah, tell us what you learned and where you see this going in the future.
Well, it was very interesting of what we learned during this process. We had the one group of students on the desktop computer who watched the videos and were engaged, but the engagement did trail off with some time. The other group that wore the 360 video headset actually had a higher engagement, and we were able to retain this engagement through the entire educational module. Where I see this going in the future is, I hope we can harness these resources at the University of Virginia and create a culture of collaboration across grounds. I also hope we can expand this pilot project to other 360 educational modules doing clinical skills education, and possibly even partner with our colleagues across the street at the Curry School of Education.